Hi, I'm Angel Lee from over here at Shonnard's, here today to show you how to directly sow seeds into your garden. So the most important information you need about sowing your seeds is going to be on the back of the seed packet. Here you can find information about when to plant your seed outside, how far to plant it into the soil, and how many days until emergence. So today we're going to be doing basil, so let's get to it. You can really see how tiny these seeds are. We're going to rough up that topsoil here just to give it nice, fine substrate to poke through. And then we're going to sink our finger in about a 1/4 inch depth. I'm going to take those seeds. And then I'm just going to lightly cover it back over, because 1/4 inch is not that deep. We're ready to go. So on the back of the seed packet, you can see that it's going to take about 10 days for emergence of these seeds. As they emerge, you can see they just look like nothing, so it's important to label your crop. These ones right here, these are basil starts I put in about 10 days ago. You can see they're putting off their first little baby leaves here, but as they put off their next set of leaves, those are going to be known as their true leaves. They're going to be more recognizable towards basil, and those are when these basils are going to really be hungry and going to want some food as they go into their growing journey into the summer. So now that we've planted our seeds, it's time to wait and watch them grow. So in about 10 days, you're going to start seeing those leaves pop up. You're going to wait a little bit longer until the next set of leaves come up. Those are their true leaves. That's when they're going to start getting hungry. They're going to want fed. It's easier for these little babies to take up a liquid fertilizer than a granular. I recommend our GB Organic All-Purpose Liquid Fertilizer. As they grow, you might notice that they're a little too close to each other. That's totally and completely normal. You can always thin them out, have a little nibble of a little tiny basil, and just keep the ones, the biggest, strongest growing, and you'll be happy at the end of the season. So, thank you for joining me today to learn a little bit more about direct seed sowing, and I hope to see you next time.